Now, because I believe that a culture and its schools must offer children significant gods to serve, I devote a lot of my time to a consideration of where we can find narratives that would give point to public education. Now, this isn't an easy task, in part because public schools do not have the authority to promote a worldview that has no residence in the society at large. Public schools are, after all, state agencies and can invent no gods of their own choosing. Schools are mirrors of social belief, giving back what citizens put in front of them. Now, this is a serious restriction on what gods we may ask students to serve, but it's also an opportunity. At any given time in the symbolic universe of a community, there dwell multiple narratives, multiple stories, some shining at the forefront, vivid and unmistakable, some in the background, indistinct and half forgotten, some sleeping, some recently awakened, and some in uneasy contradiction to others. The task is to choose among them, to find some that hold the promise of being accepted by a community and have the possibility to inspire our young about the necessity and meaning of learning. And I should like to suggest three possibilities.